Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. Today we're going to be talking about serums. What serums are, whether we need them, what do they actually do, and what are the best serums to use. So let's start from the very beginning. What are serums? Serums are a concentration of active ingredients that penetrate deep into the deeper layer of the skin, dermis. They contain ingredients that are specifically designed to deal with skin problems like anti-aging, wrinkles, fine lines, give extra hydration, brighten the skin, and to boost your general appearance of the skin. Because they contain smaller molecules than a moisturizer, they are actually able to penetrate deeper into the skin than the moisturizer would. So that's why we use serums. And then it could be water-based or oil-based, depending. So we have different types of serums, and I'm going to be talking about serums over the next coming week. I'm actually trying a few. I'm using some. Normally I use serums, but sometimes I don't. When I stop using it, I do actually notice the difference in my skin. At the moment I have this Fair and White argan oil serum that I'm using. It's actually an oil-based one. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like. It's actually oil-based, so it's more of an oil-based serum than, it's a bit runny as well. So I actually prefer to use a water-based one. Serum you use depends on the type of skin you have. Do you have dry skin, oily skin, or combination skin? I, for instance, I have combination skin, but I tend to be more on the oily side sometimes depending on the time of the year. So for instance, in the spring now, I would probably use a different serum than this one because this has a lot of oil in it. And I'm going to be reviewing a few serums. Reviewing the Lancome Advanced Genifique serum. I've actually ordered another one. I had the sample bottle and I really liked it. I'm going to be reviewing that one. I'm also going to be reviewing the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, and I'm also going to be reviewing the Clarins Double Serum. Actually, the Clarins Double Serum, I've heard so much about it. I've never used that one before, but I have got a sample on its way to me as well. It's fairly expensive, so I'm going to actually get a sample of it first and test it and see what it's like on my skin and the one I'm going to be using before I go and buy a full-size bottle, because serums are not cheap. They're very expensive, but they're actually very useful. They actually work well on the skin. That's one question that people ask. But yes, you still need to use a moisturizer because the serum penetrates deeper into the deeper layer of the skin, so you still need to put something on the surface. The moisturizer also penetrates your skin. It doesn't just stay on your face, but not as much as a serum does. So it's good to also use both, and use a serum after you've cleansed your skin and toned it, but before you moisturize it. So the serum goes before the moisturizer. So guys, that's all I'm going to say today. So make sure you follow me. I'm going to be using these 3 different serums I've talked about over the next week. Over the next 3 weeks, I'm going to use each one of them for about 7 days. I'm going to see which one I enjoy most before I go to get a full-size bottle for the spring. Thank you guys so much for watching, and also please let me know of any other serums that you might be using that you want me to try, and yeah, I could see if I could get them as well. Thank you very much guys for watching my video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.